Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz GLA 1.6 GLA200 AMG Line Edition plus 7G-DCT, which is a petrol automatic, and this vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Cosmos Black Metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch AMG multi-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Cosmos Black exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. You also have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a large amount of boot space you could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Artico leather and Dynamica microfiber upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your hands-free options, volume controls and buttons to change your information panel, and on your steering column you can find your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your information panel, you can see that this vehicle has done 78,659 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Mercedes infotainment system you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle. Along with this you also have your FM radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.